I have to give you my, so everybody say clearly about that. Listen, I'm going to just say something we can all agree to, which is to thank the staff for their work. And actually, all right, that wasn't that enthusiastic. Thank you, Sam. Um, I know a lot of people were a little hurt feelings yesterday, but I'll tell you, when I hear about other committees, truthfully, I think our debate has been pretty civilized with a difference of opinion. So I just want to thank people for being respectful. Obviously, we have different points of view on what is causing a deficit or what's causing the problems in the country. And I've heard many on the other side say, well, it is a spending problem. And I just want to offer a different perspective, because I think what's important is just to have calm, thoughtful discussions so we can really solve a problem. I mean, some of us are going to say we have a taxing problem, an unfair tax problem. And if you take a look at just even the last 25 years, folks, just between the Bush and the Trump tax cuts, that's added $10 trillion to our deficit. And those tax cuts went to the very, very wealthy and to profitable corporations. But there are other issues too, folks. I mean, we have an aging population. We have a somewhat of an inefficient healthcare system. We have had wars. We have had COVID. We have had a recession. And this is all added to the deficit. And just let me offer a different perspective. And do we really want to solve what some see as a problem by slashing childcare slots so moms can't go to work? Or underfunding our food security program so children go to bed hungry so that they are not going to be able to learn? Or should we slash foreign aid so that we lose our place in the world? We spent hours talking about China in this committee room. And if we lose our place in the world, the bad actors, the countries that are bad actors, are going to increase their influence. And let me just say this. Under President Joe Biden, we now have more people working than ever before in the past 50 years. And he presented a budget that would have lowered the deficit by $3 trillion without harming people. So some may call me woke. I say I'm awake. It wasn't easy, Madam Chair, to get up that early, but I say I'm awake, and I see things a little differently maybe than folks on the other side of the aisle. But I just want to say this plea, because a lot of us know each other, we've worked together, and I really hope that as we go forward, that we're going to have a spending appropriation bill that we can all be proud of, and that we uplift our constituents. And with that, Madam Chair, I yield back.